Why are you guys too foggy, bro? Go for a little walk around. We're here at Nest Key. My buddy Chino, the guy who organized this event, he had, I think he says fuse block, or he said something went bad with his engine, so he had to go back home to pick up his second boat. So we're all here waiting for him. It's a beautiful day here in Nest Key, guys. Let's go do a little walk around. Yeah, let's start
That way and then come back?
Yeah, let's start that way and then walk ourselves back. Alright, guys. Hey, today we're gonna get 10,000 subscribers. I need all you guys to please subscribe. Alright, I'm trying to get to 10,000 by the end of the night, guys.
Well, we will be.
We will be, but
That's a
just
fact.
hit the subscribe button, put the bell notification. There's nobody else giving you this type of content. No one. There's a lot of guys recording, but there's no one giving you the real in-depth look on these runs and these events.
The real struggle.
Yeah, today I was struggling. I didn't give you the video that I wanted to give you, but we're still out here.
Not a huge fan either, but.
Yeah, this Paramount is beautiful. And you saw the air box he has in the front? This cutout? Custom cutout to get more air deliver into it. Made out of carbon fiber. Yeah, it's super nice. Yeah, I know. This is Liberator that was in the keys. You got someone coming in hot. What's going on, guys? What's up? Good? Another day in paradise.
Yeah, great. It was beautiful. What a beautiful day.
What's up, bro?
Good,
Chilling?
good.
Yeah, this is perfect right here. It's like,
Yes,
you know, just get away right here.
We needed it.
I was actually trying to buy one before I came yesterday. But I want one for the boat.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, they do have the one with the 4 straps, or just
The one with the 4 straps.
4 straps. Those are good.
You know?
Those are really good. Your boat will be perfect. That model.
Yeah.
We almost got that from this boat. Look at him. He's floating. Oh my God, he loves it way more.
Tell him I named my boat.
What you name it?
68.
This boat only does 68 miles an hour. From his mouth himself. Nah, it really does around 73, 74. Oh, man. What's going on? Nice to see you out here finally, bro. I didn't know you drove little boats. I only see you in yachts.
You know, if it's 30 feet and under, I don't like it, you know? He knows your dad.
Yeah, I know him. He knows me since I was a jit.
When he told me, oh no, I'm Louis. Son, which Louis? I know you.
Is he still flying around or what?
Yeah. No, man. If anything, you made the video.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, I hope this guy doesn't get mad at me.
No, man. I actually wanted people to get closer. I'm like, damn it, they're so far. This is what I this
on that $400 flat spool? That's his bags?
maybe. So I don't know. So this is what I call a perfect Paramount. There's no prettier Paramount in the water right now. The console, the low seat, the little switches, everything about this boat is like perfect. The light gray.
What do you like more, actions or checkmates?
I love my checkmate. There he is.
We were just looking for you.
The man, the myth,
Where's
the
my
legend. It's always something.
Where's my girl?
We decided to blow some box, so come on.
What's up, Jenny?
Son,
Good to see you, bro.
What's up, buddy? It's been years, man. Tell me how you doing, Bubba. Everything good?
Yeah. What's up, bro? Chino?
Ronnie.
How you doing?
Katrina, nice to meet you.
What's up, kid? Congrats.
Thanks, bro. Yeah.
His first run. We popped this cherry. Well, it's not fully popped because this one was like real calm.
Seen the Bimini top on his though? It's pretty tight, right?
I thought you were gonna make fun of me.
He's out of the sun.
Get out of the sun.
Get out of the
Hell
sun.
yeah, dude. I'm the only one with shade.
Yeah.
Yeah, trust me, I was part of what sold me on like buying that boat because I paid top dollar for it. But
It's a new little ride you got though, man. I can't wait to go check it out.
So what happened to your thing?
Huh?
What happened to your rig?
Switch box.
Switch box?
Yeah,
What does
same
that
thing
control?
happened-
What does that
Huh?
control?
Electrical.
Yeah.
Okay.
Current.
That's what you were talking about?
Yeah, no.
No.
The other kid?
The switchback controls a spark on either side.
Yeah, on
either
three.
bank.
Mine have
Yeah.
two that
It'll drop
control 3
three.
and 3. So one went
Yeah.
out today. On
So it's-
full reliable side. That's never given me issue in over, I don't know, 2 years. 2.5 years.
Oh, you noticed when you got up on plane?
That's
started
not too big of a
misfiring?
deal.
No, as soon as I got on plane, boom, the power just on 3. Right
Yeah.
there. It just, you can
You'll
feel
lose
it.
3 cylinders right away.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'll
It's
replace
like a
that.
coil
This week
pack.
and be out at next week.
what powers the coil packs?
I got full tanks for next week, so I'm happy. You know, I'm chilling. No fuel for our
We're
run.
good.
I'm chilling.
Yeah.
What's up, Papa? How you doing? You good?
What area am I
She's with the girls over there. Oh, we got somebody hauling ass, guys. Let's see. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Oh, boy. Whew. Whew. Nice. We got somebody else coming. Oh boy.
A big man tank.
Yeah, but that person was beat up.
Oh, it's the twins. Nice.
This is an old girl, but still, it's fun.
Oh yeah, she gets you here and back.
Yeah.
And she's the perfect size too.
Oh, dude, that's
Perfect size.
I mean, like,
Not too big, not too...
30s are a little big for, you know, trailer around
Yeah.
and launching
By yourself, yeah.
That's perfect. I can do it by myself.
You're probably seeing 110, 115? Not even?
250, no, 100 barely. I mean, I high 90s.
High 90s?
That's what I do. Yeah. I mean, I launched in Homestead. It was fun. Man.
Yeah?
We were cruising at 85 with these guys.
I know, I tried keeping up, but I couldn't. You guys just... Phew! I wish I would have known if I could have gotten everybody flying by me.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah.
So I set up my GoPro to videotape something on the return. So it would be fun, but I didn't have it set up.
Nice.
Yep.
Definitely real pretty.
Okay.
Real pretty.
I just redid the transom, delete the splash well.
I was thinking of doing the splash wheel delete to the checkmate.
Yep.
Nice. One day.
Someday you need one of
Someday.
these.
No, I know. I really
Once you
do.
ride in this, you don't go back, dude.
That's what everybody tells me.
My first boat was a Velocity 22,
Uh-huh.
300X. It was fun as hell. But once you ride in this, it's like, that's it.
No, but this boat is like has so much detail. The engine, the jack plate, the paint. I think it's a true 280. But like this is the same thing I want to build. But this guy has a lot of money put into this boat.
No, you want to build one of those.
No, I want to build one of those with my. I have a haul that I'm building that I haven't posted on the channel. which is exactly like this. Same exact style, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put so much detail. You know, like all the goodies is what makes the boat, you know. But I like the two-tone. You know, he doesn't have any gauges. He has the race throttles too. Like all these little details are like, to a true enthusiast, this boat is perfect. Perfect. Alright guys, so everybody's starting to leave because we got a storm coming in, so we might be going to Tiki Bar. Change of plan, guys. We're gonna try to make it back to the marina before the storm.